Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am driving, so I don't know how good this is gonna sound, and I'm trying to balance my camera on my car dash, but I'm on my way to Mall of the South. I just need to pick up some stuff and have a quick meeting, and then I'm going to head to my friend's place because we have been invited to the Barcardi summer house party. I think that's what it's called. So that's at 2 o'clock, and right now it's 10:30. So I'm just gonna pick up some stuff at Mall of the South, which is pretty much the closest big mall to my house. And then after that, I'm gonna have this quick breakfast meeting, and then I'm going to head to Cece's house so we can get ready together. I'm pretty much, I think, wearing what I want to wear. I don't think I'm gonna change. Not that dramatic about like looking dolled up, especially for like the theme of the event or the type of event. I don't think it necessarily needs anybody to be extremely overdressed. So and then I don't think I'm going to do all too much in terms of the outfit side of life. However, I will do some makeup, also not too much because it's incessantly hot. It's like 26 degrees now and it's 10 o'clock, so much later I'm sure it's going to be even hotter, and I don't know if this is an outdoor or an indoor thing that we're going to, but yeah, that's pretty much my plan for the day. So hopefully this will be a fun vlog. I've committed to vlogging because I'm actually doing something, which doesn't happen very often, because as you guys know, maybe not as you know, I think people don't recognize like what a homebody I am. I'm such a comfortable person being at home. Like, I'm very happy with being at home, chilling, and I think because I've had such a taxing year, genuine, me just chilling at home is more than enough happiness for me, I would say. But I mean, yeah, even my mom was like, so what do you want to do? You don't want to go out with your friends or something? Like, she's even trying to make not December 25th, but like New Year's plans for me, because she's just like, no, I'm convinced you're gonna stay at home. But I'm a very comfortable person being at home, especially because I feel like I need the break, and as soon as next year starts, I'm gonna be gone. So yeah, hopefully today will be a fun vlog. I'll do my best to get some good footage. Hopefully we'll get some good content as well in terms of pictures and all of that stuff. But yeah, until the next clip, bye. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so as I mentioned, we were coming to Cece's house, so I was on my way to Cece's house after going to the mall. So as you can see, we're ready. I was ready, so I'm wearing a jumpsuit. I'll show you my outfit later, but yeah, I'm done. We requested the Uber. Here's Cece, she's coming, and we're about to go and have some fun at the Barcardi party. We're obviously late because it started at 2. It's 3 o'clock now and we're still here, but it's not too far, so hopefully we'll be there in a bit. Cece, come say hi to the vlog. How cute does she look, guys? Look at those curlsies. That's my bestie, that's my bestie. Excuse me. Coming. She doesn't respect me. She doesn't respect you guys. But yeah, hopefully we'll have some fun. Okay, the Uber's here, so we're leaving now.
It's outside.
Shooting with you guys and just creating some content.
Okay.
So we need like people arriving at the event and as well.
Okay.
So can we use you guys to do this thing? Like, so what we want to do?
How much you paying?
Staging. We just wanna, we'll negotiate that.
You want us to walk in?
Yeah, we're just gonna stage it. So you guys are gonna act like you just met each other. You just met up now.
Okay.
And like, oh, friend, oh shit. Then you walk towards the entrance, and then you get your tags, and then you're in.
I'm actually vlogging him, so.
Oh snap! Oh, is it still on?
Yes.
We out here. Hello. We created some dope content. You know.
Do we really have to like pretend we don't know each other? Like,
No, you
just met.
No.
Just come together and.
No, you guys know each other. You just called her. You're like, yo, we're meeting up here.
Go to the Barcardi party.
Yeah. So it's like you're meeting up here at the venue, but yeah, you together.
Coming from the same direction.
No, not from the same direction. So one of you.
I think you need to take a video of one person, hey friend,
yeah.
and then be
like
whatnot. Yeah, like a whole.
Yeah.
It's a mood. And then I'll just vlog you also while you're doing the whole.
No, but you can't hold the
shebang.
camera.
Why not? No, I'm not in the shot. Because you're calling me, so I can't be there with you. Huh? You need to look at that camera. Yeah.
Down 13 flights of stairs. Say hi, Cece. Hi. She's become a shade goddess. The Barcardi party was a lot of fun. My battery's dying, so pretty much this is automatically the end of the vlog. Huh? You and your hat. Okay, come, let's just show the people what we look like. Okay, so we look amazing, obviously, but my battery's dying, so I'm going to put away my camera now. I'm going to put it inside my bags, and the stick I'll just carry around because there's nothing I can do with it. But yeah, the party was a lot of fun. Hopefully I can create a lot more of these jump vlogs for you guys. And I don't think this is enough footage to make a single vlog, but I'll probably mix it in with something else. But I hope you enjoyed this segment of the vlog.
We're going to the next location.
Yes, we are, but I can't vlog it. I can't vlog it because my battery's low. So yeah, and my phone battery is also like on 13%, so there's no hope to vlog on that either. So until the next video, but where to? Say bye, Steve.
I'm tired now.
Say bye, babes.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Good, good. Where are we?
Like a Bilagazi restaurant. On Bilagazi Street.
What are you having?
So my favorite thing to have at Bilagazi restaurant is always the lamb curry. And I've tried a few other things on the menu, but today I'm very hungry, so I want to have something familiar, something that tastes good. So we're doing lamb curry today, and then probably cake. But lamb curry is my favorite meal and my favorite thing from here. What are you having?
I think I'm just gonna have the same. And yeah, and like malva pudding.
Where is it? It's the other end, because it's like 165.
Yeah.
The prices are good and it tastes really
They're
good.
very good. Yeah, the food here is amazing. So amazing.
How are you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah. Hungry?
Very hungry. I'm extremely hungry.
Did you have a good time yesterday though?
I did. Mabaning was a jump, eh?
It was.
No, it's been a while.
Hopefully the rest of December we'll make like a plan to do something fun.
We should. Definitely.
We're on the right track. We went out yesterday. We're having lunch today. You're going to work during the week. But we'll see on the weekend.
Yeah. We'll make a plan.
So the food is finally here. So this is my lamb curry, and as you guys can see, this looks absolutely delicious, and it is very delicious with some spinach, pumpkin, and dumpling. Then Cece's having the same thing, but she's not having a curry, she's just having a lamb stew with no spice. Mine's spicy, that one isn't, with the same side. So pretty much this is our lunch.
Hi, baby boo. I like your outfits.
Thank you.
Oh, we parked close today, no?
Huh? Yeah.
Are you driving? Why not? Can I not get a break?
I'm too full.
Okay, so it's about that time. It's vlog ending / situational update time. So today is the 16th of December. 17th of December, it's Monday. See, I don't even know what day it is. Guys, I was editing until 5:30 this morning. Yo, the dedication here is real. Until 5:30, I was editing a video. It's going to be going up today at 8 o'clock. But the telecom Wi-Fi is so slow. I finished editing at 5:30. Ooh, 6 in the evening now, and my video is only on 91%, and it still says it's got an hour and 36 minutes to go for it to upload. 9 minutes or 9% of the video. I mean, granted, the video is a bit long. I mean, I feel like that's a bit exorbitant. That's about 12 hours of me trying to upload a video. Telkom better get their mess together, because we don't pay 800 rand a month for this. Makes no sense. But anyway, yesterday the last footage you would have seen is me at Vilagazi restaurant with Cece. So and like I said, I was editing pretty much most of the evening, and now I'm just at home unwinding, waiting for this video to finish. But I want to show you guys what I'm watching, because this is something that's odd. A lot of people find it a bit weird, but these things are my absolute jam. I'm absolutely obsessed with Chinese movies, or these Asian martial arts and ninja movies. So this is like the sequel to Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, or it is Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, just a new chapter, and I'm absolutely in love. So these fighting movies, my crazy jam, and this is on Netflix if you're interested in watching it. Love these movies.
Who are you?
I'm ready to edit this footage now, or the footage that's on this memory card, Leo, and then the one that's already in my laptop, because I have 2 memory cards that I filmed on, or that I have footage on for this specific vlog. So I'm going to start editing that, and hopefully that should be up this week. Overall, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and hopefully you guys will like this wig tutorial, because I worked very hard on it. It took me like 2 days to film this, because I was struggling with angles, that and the other, but we got it done. So hopefully you enjoy it. But until the next video, I love you all, and God ever stay blessing you. Standard procedure. Mwah.